Hey, it's Joshua with the Air Zoo. This February, we are excited to observe and celebrate Black History Month by bringing you two amazing Smithsonian films to the Missions Theater as part of our Smithsonian's feature film series. From February 1st to February 14th, we'll be showing Black Wings. For early aviators, conquering the forces of gravity was a daunting challenge. But Black aviators had an additional challenge, conquering the forces of racism. Meet the men and women who took to the skies throughout the 20th century, proven to be a segregated nation that skin color doesn't determine skill level. From biplanes to commercial jets and from barnstormers to warfighters, meet the path-breaking pilots who opened the skies for all and contributed in countless ways to the development of aviation. Then, from February 15th to February 28th, we'll be showing Black in Space, Breaking the Color Barrier. America's experience during the Civil Rights Movement and the space race are well documented. However, few know about the moment these two worlds collided when the White House and NASA scrambled to put the first Black astronaut into orbit. This is the untold story of the decades-long battle between the U.S. and the Soviet Union to be the first superpower to bring diversity to the skies, told by the Black astronauts and their families, who were part of this little-known chapter of the Cold War. You can catch these great films during our daily Smithsonian feature showing every day at 10:30 and again at 2 p.m., Sundays 2 p.m. only. Once you've watched one of these films, make sure you check out our Black Wings, American Dreams of Flight exhibit. This amazing exhibit chronicles African Americans' substantial contributions to aerospace and aviation. Learn more about this powerful group of aviation pioneers who challenged obstacles and created their own legacy in the world of flight. Guests will find Black Wings, American Dreams of Flight throughout the Flight Innovation Center exhibit spaces. Admission to all of our Smithsonian feature films showings and all of our regular showings at the Missions Theater is covered by your Air Zoo admission or membership. We'll see you next time. Happy watching.